I'm going to make a quick little video talking about this steel mount I found on Amazon. Now obviously I didn't find the steel or the 2x4s, I had to get those, but I found this mount with this base plate on Amazon for about $40. Now I've obviously shot the thing mostly because I was shooting it from there, and there it's just, yeah, anyway, it can take a bullet. But this thing is 40 bucks, and with it you get all the screws and everything you would need to mount. These are just 2x4s you can get from Home Depot or Lowe's and cut them to size. Right now I have 2-foot 2x4s on the base and a 4-foot on top, and I like this configuration. I like doing it this way mostly just because I'm at a local range, obviously, and I can still shoot steel in my bay with it. Like, that's shooting steel a lot of times can be tricky because if the range doesn't have steel or it doesn't have mounts, like, there's a lot of variables, but this allows me to shoot steel and I don't have to worry about the range having it or being set up for it because I can just do it myself. This thing is, again, it's amazing. It's like $40-ish on Amazon, and a couple of things about it. They have screws you can tighten things down, and you can tighten this piece. It comes with these little wedges that you put in the mount itself, and then you screw the back right here to obviously keep it a tight lockup. The coolest thing about this, in my opinion, is it comes with a spring, so like when you hit it, it moves, but it also keeps the angle downward, which is an important thing. If you didn't know, when you shoot steel, there is ricochets, and you don't want that coming back at you. This deflects it downward, obviously. You can see with all the shrapnel here and over there and all this, it definitely does a good job, and this thing can take it. Obviously, it's been marred up by said shrapnel. It's a really good, honestly, for the price, I don't think you can really go wrong, especially if you don't have land you can shoot on, or you don't have a range that's specifically set up for steel, but you want to shoot steel. This is a really good option. I'll put a link down below on Amazon. And like I said, I think I got it for about $40-ish. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, short little video just because I enjoy this thing. If you're interested, link down below. If you have any recommendations on other ways to mount steel or how you shoot steel, please let me know in the comments. I would enjoy talking about it and figuring that stuff out, because right now my normal configuration is 2 USPSA targets and a steel that I normally hit around 20-ish yards away. But yeah, I'm gonna do a couple of drills, and that'll be it for this video. All right, I think I have enough rounds. Do a couple of things. We're going to hit steel, move up and hit 1 round on the USPSA target from concealment. I didn't expect to hit that, to be honest. All right. My grip for cardboard was kind of terrible, but I still got the A-zone hit, which is good. I'm also using a new holster for concealment made by Tenaquartz, the Velo Lux. If you're interested, I have another video. The last video I posted on this channel was actually on the Velo Lux. I really like the thing. Big fan. I did have T-Rex arms, and this one is just a little bit better in my opinion. All right. Grip was feeling really good, and obviously I hit right where I was aiming. All right, let's do maybe hit on steel, okay, we can do this. I'll do hit on steel, go to USPSA, hit on steel, all from a stagnant position. Let's make this a little more interesting. Let's do it from a kneeling position, maybe. All right, here we go. we go. All right, let's check it out. Ooh, a line breaker. Are we gonna count that as an alpha? I think we can. And yeah, obviously the target is still totally fine. Yeah. Honestly, shooting steel is a lot of fun, especially when you're just trying to mix it up and incorporate different things in your training or even just your range day. I recommend it personally. All right, let's do that again from kneeling. So kneeling, steel, cardboard, steel. And we're gonna have it gun out already. Alright. That was better. Cleaned it up. And A-zone hit. Again, this is from, it's about 15 yards. Alright. Timer at 6 minutes. Hit the steel, we're gonna move, hit USPSA, back to steel. All right, here we go. Just kidding, I'm all out of ammo. That was a good hit though. There's something about shooting steel that just allows you to really know, there's an audible like thing to it that it's really satisfying. But if you only shoot steel ever, I would say that might not be the best idea just because you don't know exactly where your hits are landing. I know obviously I hit that reduced, I guess it's a reduced A-zone, coffin style steel target, but I don't know if I hit the edge or the center versus like cardboard is kind of, or USPSA targets are kind of unforgiving and they're very honest in the best way possible, which is why I think being able to incorporate both is it's not a bad idea personally. At least I think. If you have opinions about that, I'm sure you do, let me know in the comments because the gun community is very, very vocal about that kind of stuff. I also did a video recently with this ammo box right here, and the amount of people that complained about Blazer ammo was insane. Like, I get it's like a budget ammo, but it's ran flawlessly for me. Much better than Winchester, but you know. Alright, anyway, go check our hits and actually do that drill. Actually, just kidding. I didn't even hit this. I didn't hit the cardboard because I ran out of ammo. So, all right. I don't think I actually did the drill, to be honest with you. Or maybe I did. Let's do it creeping around the corner though. Make it a little more interesting. Nice, that felt really good. Nice and controlled. Now let's do a couple of doubles. We'll do 2 hits on steel, transition to 2 hits on USPSA. Barely made it, but we made it. Let's do that again. Let's clean that up a little bit. Sped it up, got a little sloppy, but that's okay. That's the whole point of training, you know? All right, we'll do one more drill, and then that'll be it for this short little video. We'll do a little bit of movement. We're gonna do shot on steel, move to the bench, and hit the USPSA target. Probably do two attempts at that. See what you can do. Obviously going for alpha. All right. Well, we don't have to beef and consume it. Here we go. Ah. Just cleaned it up. Same thing as before. Let's see if we can get one good one. One good rep in. Concealment this time. Try it one more time. Got to get it. One alpha. One alpha. That's all I'm asking for. I don't know if I'm all right. Yeah, I do. All right. All right, I think we're counting that. And check the steel one more time. Yeah, if you're interested, again, link down below. I really like this thing. It's a lot of fun. You can do a lot with it. Link down below for the mount. If you enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe, do all that stuff. If you do have suggestions on steel, it's like setups or training setups for ranges like this, please let me know. Yeah, with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.